Hello kids, good morning to you all. Now, today is a very special day. Today is Women's Day. Yes, girls and women like mommy, like grandma, like aunt, like sister. These are all women, okay? And today we celebrate all these people. Okay, so here's a song to start our celebration. See, this is a girl. See, this is a girl. She's not wearing pink. She's wearing blue. These are all who are strong. See? She's like basketball. She's speaking out. Yes, girls can do anything. They can be pirates. They can be basketball players. They can do anything. See? In math. Look at his shoes that help people go in space. Okay, yes. So, women today can do anything they want. Okay? So, now to celebrate Women's Day, we are doing a story. Okay, we are reading a story about a very courageous, strong woman. Okay, so this is the story of Amelia Earhart. Okay? Amelia Earhart. This is her story by Brad Meltzer. See? Amelia. So, this is our book, Amelia Earhart. And this is Amelia. Can you guess what Amelia does? Yes, this is an airplane. She loves airplanes. She's a pilot. She's an aviator. Yes, she flies on a plane. And she was the first woman to fly in an airplane. Okay, see? This is why we have this. We are aviators today. Okay. Amelia Earhart by Brad Meltzer. Let's begin our story. Now, I am Amelia Earhart. Okay, she's Amelia Earhart. When I was little, people told me that girls should wear dresses and play with dolls. They say we shouldn't have unladylike. And I didn't agree. In fact, when I was 7 years old, my sister and I decided to build our own roller coaster in our backyard. We placed 2 planks, 2, of wood up against the side of our tool shed. See? On the side of our tool shed. Our sister said, "Grandma isn't going to like this." No, I don't think she will like this. See, she's trying hard to put the roller coaster up there. Now, she's trying very hard to put a roller coaster up there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, she's flying. I still remember the wind in my face. My stomach seemed to sink. I was flying. Yes, she was flying. She was flying. The crash was loud and noisy and messy. It certainly wasn't ladylike, but it was awesome! This is a grandma. She's not very happy. No, she's angry. Amelia Earhart, take them apart this instant. And Amelia was saying, that was awesome! Yay! Okay, so what happened next? See? She is very happy. Yes. She's looking up in the sky. What is she saying? She's very happy. It wasn't the last time I would fly. As I got older, I went to many air shows. My dad took me to meet Frank Hawks. See, this is Frank Hawks, a man who would eventually set many of his own flight records. See, this is an airplane, and he's an aviator. For $10, Hawks agreed to take me on my very first flight. See, he's saying, you ready? And Amelia says, yes, I'm ready. Okay, let's see what happens. Now we're going to fly in the sky. See? Wow, they're flying up in the sky. For 10 minutes we flew. For 10 minutes. For 10 minutes we flew through over the Pacific Ocean. It's 200 or 300. And I knew one thing. Let's see what she knows. Okay. I knew one thing. Okay. What did she know? To save for my flying lessons, I worked as a truck driver. See, she's riding her truck, which wasn't very ladylike either. She's saying, move it, Mac. As a stenographer, which is a fancy, schmancy word for someone who writes down what people say. See? She's a stenographer. And even a photographer. Okay, 6 months later, after I learned to fly, I bought a bright yellow used biplane. See, this one, a biplane that I named Canary. Okay, the name of the plane is Canary. Canary is a cool name for a plane, right? This is my instructor, a woman named Netta Snook. That's her real name. Yes, that's her real name. See? This is the that she bought. Canary. But here's my secret. I wasn't unnatural. I wasn't the best pilot. I just worked harder than anyone else. See, the instructor is saying, that's enough flying for today. And Amelia said, no, I can do better. One more flight. Okay, she always wants to fly and she works hard to get what she wants. most important ride that day on the roller coaster, I dared to do what so many said couldn't be done. See? A girl flying across the Atlantic? Amelia, are you sure this is a good idea? And Amelia said, this isn't a good idea. It's the best idea. The best idea, see? She's on her plane and she's fixing her plane. She's fixing her plane. But I did. She's saying, this is awesome. To do it, I had to fly. I had to fly for 14 hours and 56 minutes with no rest, no sleeping, no break. Sometimes the sun was so blinding I couldn't see. I could barely see where I was going. In the process, I also broke the record for crossing the ocean in the shortest time. See, crossing the ocean. This is the ocean. Doing it faster than any man or woman ever. Okay, see, than any man or woman ever. This is awesome. This is awesome. See, she's flying. She's flying over the ocean. Okay, in October, then I broke an altitude record, which is just a fancy schmancy name. A fancy schmancy name of saying I went higher than anyone else. How high did I go? About 12 Empire State Buildings, straight up at a time when no woman had ever gone that high. See? In October 1922, I broke the women's altitude record by rising to 4,000 feet. And in July 1930, I set a speed record over 181 megahertz. Okay? In my life, I took many flights. Every single time there was someone who said, I wouldn't be able to do it. Never let anyone stop you, whatever your dream is. Chase it. Work hard. You will find it. It is the best lesson I can give you. Okay? See, everyone is happy for her. They're celebrating her. Okay? They're celebrating Amelia Earhart. I am Amelia Earhart. I know, see, this is Amelia Earhart. I am Amelia Earhart. I know no bounds, and I hope you remember that the greatest flight you'll ever take is the one no one has ever. Very good. This was a very nice book. Okay, so this is Amelia Earhart, and she was the first woman to fly across the Pacific Ocean, across the big ocean that was over here. Okay, across the big ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so this is the story for today. Happy Women's Day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye, kids. Bye.